Welcome back. We know you want the crucial insights on enterprise AI fast. So let's get right to it.
Absolutely. We're pulling another interesting find from the AI agent store today.
Oh, yeah. Which one's caught your eye this time?
It's called InstaLILY AI. Found it listed under workflow automation agents.
Okay, InstaLILY AI, workflow automation. So what's the angle? How's it different?
Well, they define it as a platform for what they call AI teammates.
AI teammates.
Yeah. And these teammates supposedly execute B2B sales, service, and operations workflows autonomously.
Autonomously. Okay, so not just like suggesting what a human should do, they're actually doing it.
That seems to be the core idea, taking operational ownership, not just assisting.
Interesting. And who are they building this for?
It looks specifically targeted. Enterprises, definitely, particularly B2B distribution and, importantly, regulated industries.
Regulated, so places where getting it wrong is, well, really costly.
Exactly, high-stakes environments. And the idea is these agents act like a domain-trained human.
How so? Do they integrate deeply?
Apparently, yes. They see the agents operate right inside the company's existing systems. Think CRM, ERP, service desks.
So they're working with the actual core data, the real systems of record.
That's the claim. Not just screen scraping or sitting on the outside. They're embedded.
Which leads to, I guess, their biggest number. They're reporting an autonomy level of 84%.
84%. Which, you're right, sounds incredibly high for complex enterprise work, especially in regulated areas.
Yeah, I mean, what does that 84% actually mean in practice? And maybe more importantly, what's the other 16%?
Well, their justification for that high number is that the agents are designed to handle the entire business process, end to end.
Not just one small task within the process?
Right. They give examples like generating complex quotes or triaging high-priority service tickets, validating parts in a supply chain, clearing order backlogs.
Okay, so pretty involved stuff that usually takes significant human effort and judgment.
Exactly. They're saying it moves beyond typical AI assistants that just give suggestions. These things are meant to take ownership of the outcome.
But wait, if you're automating, say, complex quoting in finance or distribution, an error isn't trivial. It could be huge liability.
True. How do you ensure the AI is actually better, or at least not worse, than potential human error?
Yeah.
I think part of the answer might lie in how they operate within those core systems.
You mean they're bound by the existing rules and controls in the ERP or CRM?
Sort of, yeah. They operate using the validated controls and access rights already built into those enterprise systems. It's not like a free-roaming web bot.
Okay, so the environment itself provides some guardrails.
That seems to be the logic. The system constrains them, forces a certain integrity. They can manage high-stakes tasks like enforcing SLAs or validating data because they're deep inside where those rules are already defined.
Got it. So this changes things quite a bit for the humans then, if you're on a sales team.
Right. If the AI teammate is handling lead follow-ups, keeping the CRM data clean, what does a salesperson do?
They focus higher up the chain. Strategy, complex relationships, closing the big deals.
Precisely. Less admin, more strategy. Same for service teams,
Right.
potentially. If the AI can triage tickets, maybe even draft solid initial responses.
That frees up the human agents for the really complex, nuanced customer issues, especially during busy times.
Exactly. And that might explain some of their tags, like composable agents.
Meaning you can piece them together.
Yeah, built from reusable skill modules, so you can adapt them or reconfigure them for new workflows without starting from scratch. Gives the business flexibility.
So the bigger picture here isn't just faster automation. It sounds like it's about these truly autonomous AI players operating within core business functions.
Yeah, forces a rethink.
Yeah.
How do IT architecture and even job roles adapt when you have AI capable of this level of independent operation?
It's like designing a genuine partnership, maybe. AI handles speed and transactional complexity. Humans handle the strategic thinking, the exceptions.
I think that's a good way to put it. It certainly signals a big step, especially for those industries that thought their core processes were just too complex or sensitive for this level of AI autonomy.
Definitely something for operations leaders, enterprise architects to think about. Understanding this shift from, say, assistive AI to truly autonomous agents seems pretty critical for planning.
Agreed.
You can explore more agents like InstaLILY AI and others over at the AI Agent Store. The link is aiagentstore.ai.
Worth checking out to see what's emerging in this space.
Indeed. Thanks again for tuning in, and we really appreciate it when you rate the show. Catch you next time.